Hey everyone, Marcia here. I am back with another scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. So today's video is using the November main kit, and this kit features the Crate Paper Busy Sidewalks collection. It's a beautiful kit. It comes with lots of extras like these cut files from PearTree Cut Files. The cut file I am using today is Cozy Little Christmas. Love this cut file. I love all of the PearTree cut files. You can check out their website if you are not a subscriber to My Creative Scrapbook, and check out all of their cut files. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. I am backing this cut file with a couple different pattern papers. I'm sticking with the pink-red theme here for my cut file, other than the holly leaves on here. And to give it a little bit of extra sparkle, I use some glitter paper for the holly as well. When I am backing my cut file, I'll use my Silhouette Cameo to cut out the letters in the cut file, and it makes it a little easier when you go to back it. I have a video tutorial on how I do that. It's called How to Deconstruct a Cut File. If you are interested in watching that, it is Silhouette Cameo users only. Alright, so I am scrapping a photo of my daughter and her dog Nana today. They have these cute matching sweaters on. I thought that was perfect for this title, Cozy Little Christmas. When you have a nice warm sweater on, it's easy to be nice and cozy when it gets colder. My background here is a mixed media background from Vicki Boutin. It comes from her Let's Wander mixed media pad. This is the greens, so the title is all about the reds. The background is all about the greens. And I thought it would really make a nice backdrop for all of these poinsettias I fussy cut out of one of the pattern papers from the Busy Sidewalks collection. I love that the green mixed media is peeking out around the edges of the florals and underneath the title. Love that look. I mounted my photo onto a green plaid pattern paper to give it a little more green pop and set it apart, and backed it with some foam tape as well as some recycled chipboard. I'm playing around here with the poinsettias. It did take a while to fussy cut these poinsettias out. You could save yourself some trouble by not doing the little sprig pieces in there, but they're so pretty. I went and fussy cut those too, and they take a little bit more time. They're very tedious to get around all the little parts and pieces. This layout really came together pretty fast. I wanted to tuck some tags in at the top of my photo, and I added some green twine into the tag holes there at the top. I have the poinsettias there, so I don't know that I really need a lot of extra embellishments on here, because I do have a lot going on already just with those pretty poinsettias. But I'm going through the die cuts and looking at the stickers, trying to see if there's anything I can add to my floral clusters here. Part of the die cut ephemera pieces has this little green sweater. It's a transparency piece. And so I thought, okay, that's perfect. And then we're talking about Christmas sweaters here in this layout. And so I thought that would be the perfect embellishment there to tuck in that cluster. There are also some gold puffy stickers that go along with this collection. They have phrase stickers But another thing that is in here are additional sprigs of gold that you can use to make your embellishment clusters, your floral clusters, just pop and make them a little more festive. I am adding some of those gold sprigs to around all of my fussy cut poinsettias. It really adds a really pretty effect there. There is a cute little sticker book that goes along with this collection that is included in the kit. I chose a sticker with a cityscape theme to put at the bottom of my layout to kind of ground my layout. It kind of reminds me of, going to the city and going shopping, purchasing those cozy little sweaters. I think it adds something. So I centered it at the bottom of my page. One of the last things I wanted to do here then is to add a bow. So I'm using this same green twine that I use for my tags, and I'm using a tool called the Bow Easy. You can get this on Amazon. It makes tying bows fast and easy. I like to tie double bows. They're beautiful bows. Before this tool, I couldn't tie a bow to save my life. It's a great tool to have for card making as well as scrapbooking. One of the last things I'm doing on here then is adding just a little bit of journaling underneath my title. To make it a little more Christmassy, I am going in with some color pops from scrapbook.com. These are snowflake color. They just are a clear, glittery gel that dries like stickles. Adds a really pretty effect to it. That's my layout. Thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out My Creative Scrapbook to see their other beautiful kits this month. They have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, an album kit, and new this month is a December daily kit. Bye bye now.